How to delete a Reddit account permanently. To delete your Reddit account permanently, first of all, launch the Reddit application onto your device. Now you simply have to go ahead and log into your account that you will be deleting. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, then tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. From here, tap on the settings option. Now once you're here, head to the account settings at the top. You simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Then you will find this delete account option. Go ahead and tap on this, then tap yes delete once again. Now you simply have to choose your account from here, choose the email address, and then follow the security verification prompts and enter your password, then tap confirm delete. Once you do this, your account will be deleted permanently. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.